be on our frequencies. They'll be listening to us. Yo, what's going on, guys? POV with another sick POV video. Today we have like 4 or 5 AMGs. We're meeting up at a petrol station and then going on a cruise together. And guess what? We've got the shifter sorted out, so we're gonna be able to make the car sound absolutely amazing. I can't wait. This is gonna sound absolutely crazy, and I'm so excited for it.
Road for 3/4 of a mile.
We are running late. We're meant to be there in 8 minutes, and the journey currently says it's about 15 minutes, so that's not good. So we're gonna have to be very speedy, otherwise we're gonna get everyone pissed off, even though I am the one that set everything up. It's not a good look on me. But yeah, at least the shifters work. What's not good is these roads are all 20 roads right now. Oh fuck. Gonna have some mogu mogu. You know it's so hot these past couple of days in the UK. Let me know where you guys are watching from and what the temperature is, because in UK right now it's absolutely boiling. What the fuck is going on?
Right onto Platts Lane, then turn left onto Brydale Gardens. Turn left onto Brydale Gardens. In 200 yards, turn right onto Finchley Road, A598. Turn right onto Finchley Road, A598.
I never felt my car like that before, because every time I'd have to shift up, I'd have to put a car back in gear, which basically makes it auto shift up very, very quickly.
Take the exit towards Muswell Hill, then slide left. Slide left, then turn right.
We are here. Hopefully the others are also here. Yes, they are here.
Don't do this.
Yo.
What are you saying?
What are you saying? That I'm driving. C63S. Oh my god, this is crazy. The C63S here as well. Yo. What do you say?
Not much, what are you?
Are you right? This is crazy, bro. This is a weapon. Yeah, we got good brakes on this car, guys, so not to worry. This cruise today is gonna be very safe.
My life's on the line.
Our lives are on the line. Got the shifters working, you know what that means.
Oh, I forgot about that.
You ignore the fact that I ignored you. I want to follow them. S63, E53, he came as well. E63 and the C63. I don't know why these guys aren't in front of me right now. Is it right?
But it's not this one though.
Is it? No,
Right.
it's not. I need to follow these guys, bro. They have the loco. Go, 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 go.
What's the location?
I don't know. Yeah. Why is this random trying to join, bro? Fez, bro, is this fog light on? Oh shit.
Overusing that up. That up.
No, it's red right now. Fez, I think you ran already. Guys pointing. Yo, there's a Fed somewhere. Yeah. It's going crazy. Behind us, he's behind us. Behind us. I saw him, I saw him, I saw him. Alright guys, so we got very lucky. Very, very, very lucky. Now at least he's out of the way. Imagine we start sending it and we just like catch up to him.
Yeah, the Fed went that way.
I think he's going over and down back. It's just so he can like wait for us. The police car is most... That wasn't us, bro.
Oh my god, I've never felt that feeling before. Bro, no, I genuinely started holding on, bro. I got scared.
Bro, I'm just worried that officer's gonna be behind us now.
The speed camera coming up.
Fez, good shout, good shout.
I just realized they opened the A406 again.
Oh shit, the speed's 40.
Yeah, the speed camera's there.
Oh, it's right there. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was behind us. I was waiting for it.
Bro. I'm genuinely, my heart was racing, bro. I started holding on for my life.
I'm so glad I have shifters now, bro. Bro, you seen all these cars fly past us? Yes, there is. What the fuck is he doing? What the fuck is he doing? Yeah. Any cameras?
A little further ahead. Still alive.
The Leo car. What's going on? Huh?
The speed camera in a little bit. So my head will slow down.
Why are you telling me about speed cameras? I'm not going over the speed limit.
Oh yeah. No, I was telling you to reach that number.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm going too slow.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
There's another speed camera down there.
I think everyone's relaxing right now.
Speed camera
There's those who don't know how to let each other mad. Is that a speed camera? Oh shit! Yo! That's crazy! Allah! Oh my god, bro! Do you know why I control that? Or how I control that? I was playing Assetto Corsa yesterday, and I was using my car. You know, I was pushing it to the limit. Oh my god!
So you're telling me if you didn't play that game yesterday, we would have been dead?
Yeah.